Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you a student? A professional? Do you want to improve your typing speed? This video is just perfect for you. Did you know the average person can type between 38 to 40 words per minute or WPM, but a professional typist can type a lot faster. They can do 65 to 75 words per minute, but there are a lot of people that I know that can type more than that. So where do you fall between these two? If you want to be a fast typer, then I have 5 tips for you today. My first tip is to know your home keys. You don't have to use just one finger to type everything. If you do that, it will take you a long time to finish what you're doing. That's where the home keys come in. So the home keys are for your left hand, A, S, D, F, and the thumb is for the space bar. On your right hand, J, K, L, and the one with the semicolon, and the thumb is for the space bar as well. In this diagram, you can see the color coding for each keys. Now let's move on to the second tip. You need to relax. You're just gonna type. You're not going into a war. You're not going into a battle. Just relax, be confident, be cool. Usually I shake my hands before typing, but it's up to you. My third tip for you is do not rush. If you are a beginner, don't expect that you can type 70 words per minute. It's okay to start slow, and your speed will progress once you are used to it. Tip number 4. This is really helpful, especially if you are typing documents at work or at school. You need to scan the next word or phrase in advance. And tip number 5, keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Though not really perfect, but it can help you improve faster. And here are the free resources that I'm using. First one is keybr.com. I will show you how it works later on. And then 10fastfingers.com and typingtest.com. So this is how KeyBR looks like. You can take typing lessons here, specifically touch typing. So what is touch typing? Touch typing is the ability to use muscle memory to find key fast, without using the sense of sight and with all the available fingers, just like piano players do. If you keep on practicing here and trying to train yourself, you will improve a lot faster in terms of speed and accuracy. Let's give it a try. Now let's give 10 fast fingers a try. For now, I will use the top 200 words typing test, and the length of this test is 1 minute. Let's go. As per the test, my typing speed is 73 words per minute, which is quite good. So just practice typing, practice your speed, and practice your accuracy, and you will be all good in no time. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope to see you guys soon next time. Thank you for watching!